Alright, this is the third tutorial I'm going to make for Hammer Editor, and in this one I'm going to be covering lighting, and I'm going to show you a couple types of lighting that you can use to make your levels look better. Now, if you've already created a map but you haven't put lighting in, it probably looks like this, but that's not very pretty. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, so first thing I'm going to teach you how to use is light environment. Place it anywhere in the level, really doesn't matter. And you can set the pitch to what you want, but I like -45 because -90 is straight down and 0 is at the horizon, and that's nicely in between. So this is which direction you'd like the sun to face, and I want the sun to be going top down. The sun's going to be pointing this direction, down 45 degrees. So let's set the brightness to a bright kind of yellowish orangish color like that, and the ambient, what it's like without sunlight in places sun can't get to, kind of a dark gray, a dark blue gray is normally good. Alright, so we've created the lighting that the sun's gonna produce, and the shadows from this wall are gonna kind of go down this direction, I'm guessing. But we haven't created the sun, so if you look up in the direction of the sun, you're not going to see anything yet. We've just created the lighting the sun's going to create. So now we have to create an env sun. So set the pitch yaw roll to the same thing that the light environment used. Use angles has to be set to yes. Don't forget that. Set the pitch -45, just like the light environment. Sun color, just put it all the way up because the sun's pretty damn bright. Alright, and now I'm going to teach you how to do some indoor lighting. I'm going to create a roof here so that the sun can't get in here. What? Alright, so we've got a little indoor place here. Oh, and when you do lighting, generally it's good to disable shadows on your doors. Right here. At least your prop doors, because they tend to look funny. Alright, now I'm going to teach you how to make fire. You're going to want to place an env fire. There we go. Want to go to flags, infinite duration, start on, and start full. And you don't really have to change anything else. The size, 64 is a good size for a flame, and now you just need to create a light for the flame, otherwise it'll just be pitch black with a flame and it looks very odd. So you're going to want to make a light. So I have an orangey light. little ways above the flame. Alright, now I'll show you how to make just a normal ceiling light. First you're going to want to create the prop for it, so you're going to go to prop, static, there we go. This is a good model for lights. Alright. Position it right and create a light. Pick a kind of light bulb color, slightly yellowish, bright color, and that's all you've got to do. That light's done. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to kind of create a spotlight. Going to create another prop static and look for a directional light, one that points in one direction. This one, there we go. Okay, now create a light spot. This is what will do the actual lighting. This will illuminate everything else. Now you can change the inner bright angle or the outer fading angle, and you can leave it as is here. Normally the default stuff will work, but now you've got to create that effect, that look of a spotlight. So you're going to create a point spotlight. Go to pitch yaw roll, just go up here and select down, apply, and you can change the color of it here. It'd be best if it matched the color of this one. I'm just gonna go with white, and you can change the width, the length of the spotlight, and it's best if you match it up with what you've got here. So I'm gonna guess it'll look a bit better if I widen that up. Alright, so we've got three kinds of lights so far: a fire, a light bulb, and a spotlight. And next I'm gonna create a glow. We're gonna make an ENV sprite. Alright. Now you're gonna want to make it render mode world space glow. Otherwise it'll look funky with that border there. But now when we do that, it'll be transparent. Pick a red glow. And last thing we're gonna do is make a light. And this kind of lighting is really good if you've got like a button you want to light up for the player to press. Make it red but not very bright because it's a small light. Alright, now I'm going to spread these out. Alright, so we have fire, a light bulb, a spotlight, and a glow. We'll be able to see what they all look like now. Let's run the map. And there we go. See the shadows from the sun. There's our ENV sun up there. And inside we've got the fire, the light bulb, the spotlight. You can see here how it kind of illuminates the dust in the air. That's the point spotlight. And the lighting on the ground here is from the light, the other light. This is the ENV sprite and the light, and it makes a nice glow. You can resize the texture if it looks too big, but that covers it. I hope you guys found this informative and you learned something from it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.